They call it the Island Dash. I call it my destiny. I'm the best captain on these waters. I just need to prove it. Keep it steady, Captain. Smooth seas never made a skilled sailor, but they also didn't sink them. Left! No! Your other left! Moron! I got this. I got this. A rusty tub and a scaredy-cat captain? You'll never win the dash! He was right. The engine is old. My crew is a special case. He's too fast. Too perfect. How am I ever gonna beat that? That fish! The penguin! He's built like a torpedo! The big guy! Use his weight! Okay. Pip, get in front. Cappy, lean left. N-O-U! Hold the line, Pip! Cappy, lean into it now! We're almost across! He's not steering. He's trusting. We did it, Pip! We actually did it! Look at that! We won! We absolutely crushed it! We won! We won! Yes, we did it! I didn't win the race. We did.